my channel, you know to deal with that. If you are new, hey my biddy. Hey girly, how you doing? Ew. If you are new, my name is Brianna. I am a beauty influencer on this channel. My channel is strictly about cosmetology, beauty, creativity, any of that. I am strictly, I haven't really talked about that actually. My content is strictly beauty, creativity, and I want to be an influencer on you guys. I want to put an impact on what you guys know or don't know or already know, and I just advance what you did know 10 times. Like, you know, I want to be an influencer, teach you guys a whole lot of things that you might not know or might already know. So yeah, that's basically my channel and what's on my channel. Again, for anybody that's new, I am Brianna. If you like, if you want to be a part of the big gang, you know what I'm saying? You should subscribe down below, comment down below, and like this video. And if you want, you can even turn on that post notification to stay updated with me, period. If you guys saw my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys should, you know, I post a lot of polls on there asking for you guys' opinion about what you guys want to see on my channel, because you know guys, your thoughts and opinions matter to me a lot. It matters to me a lot. If I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. So like I'm not looking directly at the camera. It might look weird a little, but well, on a poll, I asked you guys whether you wanted to see a eyeshadow tutorial or eyebrow tutorial, and you guys chose eyebrow tutorial. So that's what we are doing today. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done. If you keep watching, you will see how I got this look right here. And I'm probably gonna put it right here, a little close up, because you know I'm kind of far away. So without further ado, if you want to learn how I did my eyebrows or how to do eyebrows, period, if you don't know how to do eyebrows, I'm going to help you guys out. That's what I stated before. That's what I want to do. I want to put an impact on you, teach you how to do stuff if you don't already know how to do it. Girl, I want to influence you. So, without further ado, let's stop jibber-jabbing because I'm talking too much. Let's get into the video.
Hey girlies! So, the first thing that we're going to do is prep our skin, you know, make sure we're not working with a dirty surface. So, first thing you do, cleanse your skin, please. Do not work with a dirty surface. It's not good for you. What I use to clean my skin is a prescribed medication specifically for my skin. Help gets rid of my acne. The moisturizer I use is bio oil. It's so amazing. Definitely invest in bio oil if you are not. It's pretty pricey for that small bottle, but it's worth it. Right now I'm just showing you the areas that I applied it to. I do not apply it to those areas because I apply primer to those areas that I pointed to. I can't really tell you why. It just makes my skin feel very good. So that's it. Since we are done prepping our skin, it's time to get into the real stuff. So let's get into the video. We're back, girlies! So First thing is I'm going to sip my tea. You already know about the tea. Sip, sip. Now, I am just showing you that we're doing my eyebrows. First thing we're gonna do is take a spoolie and brush out your brows. Make sure there's no naps in there, sis. I'm showing you what brow pencil I use. The brow pencil I use is CoverGirl. Please make sure it's sharpened. Don't sharpen it too sharp. I don't like doing that. It's just, it creates a very intense line when it's too sharp. So right now I'm just showing you that I'm going to be outlining my real brow. Before I do that, I just wipe off my brow, make sure there's no residue from the moisturizer, make sure you're working with a clean surface on your brows. And then now I am going in with my brow pencil, very light strokes. Do not press on your brows too hard. Then you will have a very harsh line and it will not look natural. So I'm just showing you right now what I used on my tail of the brow is what I'm going to be using in the front of my brow. Right now I'm just taking the pencil, again, very, very, very light strokes for the front. You don't want the front looking dark. You want a natural look, light to dark. So we're done. Now I'm just going to do my other brow and come back to you guys. So we're back. Period. No, we're done. Okay, so now we're just concealing. I use LA color and the color that I use is deep. The brush I'm using is Max Design, very flat brush, so I can conceal very neatly and blend out my concealer. Right now I'm just applying my concealer to the lid. I use my lid as like an applicator instead of using my hand. So I just apply it first and then I go in with the real stuff. When you're concealing your eyebrow, you're basically shaping it. You know what I mean? So if you like your eyebrows a certain shape, go ahead and shape it that certain shape. You like zigzags, sis, go ahead and do zigzags. But that's how I shape my eyebrows with the concealer. Right now I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending all that out. You do not want to walk around with very, very, very light concealer around your eyebrows. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other brow. Right here, I'm just informing you guys that your brows are not twins. They are sisters. They're not going to look identically alike. They're going to look similar, but not identical. Got it? Great. So once I am done blending this eyebrow, I will get right back to you guys. We're back, biddies. So as you can see, I blended out the concealer. Now we're just going in at the top with the concealer. Some people use foundation. I just tend to use concealer. So right now I'm just concealing, zoo, 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 very quickly. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other eyebrow. am done, we're going to blend out the top. Blend it out really good. Be careful that you don't get the beauty blender on your eyebrows. All that hard work would be ruined. At the tip, I do blend on my eyebrow just a little bit because I like the ending results of that. Makes it look very natural. Now I'm just taking my spoolie and blending it out to make it look even more natural. Since we are done blending, I am going to go in with a brow gel. I use Great Lash Maybelline. I think that's mascara that I use, but it's clear. If you guys have an actual brow gel, you can go ahead and use that. I just use Maybelline mascara clear. I think it was made for brows. It doesn't feel like mascara. It dries up very quickly. It dries and it does not dry into like a hard feeling like how mascara dries. So this is the results of how it is looking while it is still wet. Now right here I'm just going on a rant how my right eyebrow is my halo and my left eyebrow is the horn. I'm saying this because my right eyebrow is nothing like my left eyebrow. I know they're not supposed to be twins, they're sisters, but I just hate how my left eyebrow is because it's so hard to deal with, period. That's it. Like, if I'm saying the wrong side right now, just know that I'm like, you know, the opposite way of how this was really filmed. I am finished with my brows and now I am going to show you what the final results look like right now.
My video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you do not know already, we hit 40 subscribers. We're on the verge of hitting 50. So help your girl out so we can hit 50. Get us to 50, my biddies. You know my biddies. You know I'm saying my biddies. You already know the deal with that. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you like this tutorial on how I personally do my eyebrows. You guys might see my ring light because I'm holding it. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Again, thank you for supporting. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're not already, turn on that notification if you didn't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye my biddies.